Unlocking the secrets of pixel-perfect design. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and its myriad expressions. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that's particularly popular in the digital design world: pixel-perfect design. This term might sound a bit technical at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together, making it easy and enjoyable to understand. So, let's embark on this journey to decode what pixel-perfect design truly means and why it matters. The phrase pixel-perfect design refers to a design process where the outcome is extremely precise and detailed, with each pixel on the screen placed with intention. In digital design, a pixel is the smallest unit of measurement on a digital display, similar to how a grain of sand can be seen as the smallest piece of a beach. When we say a design is pixel-perfect, we mean that every single pixel is meticulously considered and used to create a visually flawless result. This approach emphasizes accuracy and perfection in visual representation, ensuring that the design appears exactly as intended on any screen. In the realm of digital design, pixel-perfect is more than just a buzzword, it's a standard of excellence. This meticulous approach ensures that the design will look sharp, clear, and consistent across different devices and resolutions. It's particularly important in a world where users access content on a wide variety of screens, from small smartphones to large desktop monitors. Achieving pixel perfection means that texts are readable, images are crisp, and the overall user experience is seamless and engaging. This level of detail can significantly impact the user's perception of a brand or product, making it an essential concept in digital design. While the goal of pixel-perfect design sounds admirable, it comes with its set of challenges. The main obstacle designers face is the vast diversity of devices and screen resolutions. A design that looks perfect on one screen might not look the same on another due to differences in resolution, screen size, and even color calibration. Additionally, achieving pixel perfection can be time-consuming and requires a keen eye for detail and a deep understanding of the tools and technologies used in digital design. Despite these challenges, the pursuit of pixel perfection remains a hallmark of quality and dedication in the design community. We hope this video has shed some light on the intricate world of pixel-perfect design and its significance in creating visually stunning and user-friendly digital experiences. While achieving pixel perfection may be challenging, it's a pursuit that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in digital design, leading to breathtaking results that delight and engage users. Thank you for joining us today, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring and expanding your understanding of the beautiful nuances of the English language.